One of my favorite things to make is a smash burger. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect smash burger. Let's get into it. We're going to start off by preheating our Charbroil 3-burner gas griddle. While that heats up, we're going to get our sauce going, consisted of a diced up shallot, mayo, pickle juice, ketchup, and barbecue sauce. We're going to stir that to combine and then set it aside. Next, we're going to thinly slice a yellow onion and set it aside. Then we're going to take 2 pounds of ground beef and grate in 4 tablespoons of frozen butter. We're going to form patty balls a little bit bigger than a golf ball, but smaller than a tennis ball. We're going to get those down on the grill over medium-high to high heat. Then we're going to top it with our thinly sliced onion. Using a grill press, we're going to smash down into the griddle. The key here is to cook these over a high heat and smash it into a really thin patty. What that's going to do is give us a nice crust and build a ton of flavor. We're going to flip the burgers, reduce it to low, and melt some cheese. Cook for about another minute, and then we're going to place on our toasted buns. Get it topped with our sauce, and it's on the table. Enjoy.